Being yourself sounds good, pero ano kung ang sarili mo hindi pa worth it? Maraming lalaki ang sasabihin, just be yourself bro. That's the key to dating. Sounds nice, di ba? Pero the truth is, kung ang sarili mo undeveloped, being yourself is a trap. Bakit? Kasi ikaw yung version ng sarili mo ngayon, insecure, lazy, emotionally weak, at walang direction. Kung ipapakita mo yan sa babae, hindi siya maa-attract, hindi siya magiging curious, hindi siya mai-impress. Being yourself without improvement equals showing your raw, unshaped self. It's like presenting a half-built house and expecting someone to move in. Ang solution, focus muna sa self-improvement. Level up your health, confidence, skills, and mindset. Become the version of yourself that deserves attention. Pag na-develop mo na yan, saka mo ipakita sa mundo. Then being yourself equals powerful, grounded, and attractive. Remember, before authenticity, mag-invest ka muna sa sarili mo. Level up first. Pagkatapos, everything you show is magnetic. Natural attraction, respect, and connection.